Hey everybody, it's Matt Collins with eXp Realty, here with Taylor Perry and Van Dyke Mortgage. And Taylor, I wanted to ask today, I have a 750 credit score. I should be able to buy any house I want, right?
Yeah,
All right.
except for something called debt to income. That's going to be most of the time what will limit or increase how much you can afford. So in a nutshell, debt to income is obviously your debt versus your income. But more granular, I don't necessarily care that you owe $30,000 on the car. I don't care how much in credit cards you have. I care what the monthly payments on each of those things is going to be. So I care that your car has a $300 a month monthly payment. I care that your card has a $75 minimum monthly payment. That's what we look at to calculate how much you can afford your debts per month versus your gross income.
And are there ways to change your DTI?
Yeah, we have a couple of tricks up our sleeve. One of the more easy ones is let's get rid of one of the debts. Maybe I see it all the time. There's a $1,000 credit card, not a huge amount by any means, but it has a $200 a month monthly payment. I mean, that's a big chunk of monthly payment that we can kind of throw out the window if we pay it off.
Gotcha.
And now open that $200 to afford $50,000 more in a house, something like that.
All right. Well, that makes a lot of sense. If you find yourself in a situation where you just need a little bit of help, maybe we can ask Taylor about what other types of programs are out there to help
Sure.
change that up a little bit. Please give a call, get in touch with us today. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe below, and until next time.